With my accent, I'm going to try to talk a little slow. I am the World Marketing Malaysia 2013 Ambassador. I'm also a member of an organization called YPO-WPO. I am the European chair for WPO, and I'm in the international board. And I am what I used to call a serial entrepreneur, which means I've created and sold about 20 companies throughout my career. Well, this kind of meeting, the World Marketing Summit, is all about interaction of peers. Interaction between yourself, the speaker, and between yourself right now. So, one little thing I would like you to do, it's just going to take 1 minute, is look on your right, you, who is on your right, who is on your left, shake hands, get eye contacts, just who is behind you, because obviously you are going to spend a little time with those people for the next few days. One of the things that I learned over the years, and this morning in particular, I went to Harvard Business School many years ago, it's hard to say yes. It's very easy to say yes to some things, it's very difficult to do the end after the yes. And what I do, and how do I deliver, and how can I use my talents, how can I communicate with other people, and so on. And obviously, marketing and its techniques has a lot to do with how we can do the end. So it's fantastic when you raise your hands and you say yes, but you have also to understand that it's not the end by itself and that there is a lot behind it. Today we are going to tackle two very, very important MDG. MDG, just as a reminder, they are those global issue set by the United Nations, in 2000 under the leadership of Kofi Annan. There is 8 of them, and the first one we are going to tackle this afternoon is eradicate extreme poverty and hunger. And we have 4 distinguished speakers who are going to talk about those issues. As you could witness this morning, those issues are very essential to the future of the planet. So, 2 little points of organization I would like to mention, since this is going to be the third session. Number 1, if you have any questions during the course of the speech, raise your hand and a usher will come and take the questions. Then there will be a panel after the 4 speeches, and you will be able basically to get answer to your questions. That's point number 1. And point number 2, I think that future's sake is try to be punctual. And it's a French thing, that, by the way. I'm going to give the floor now to your moderator for this afternoon, Ms. Cynthia from Astro Awani.
Thanks, Pierre.
Welcome, Cynthia.
Thank you.